Hi, my name is Robert Chelle with Chelle Law, and my firm assists physicians with employment contract issues. Today I'm going to talk about how does a physician earn a bonus, and this is a pretty broad topic, and there certainly are a lot of different bonuses. Well, first, if we're going to take kind of bonus at the general level, you could have a signing bonus when the physician signs the agreement. You could have a relocation bonus, meaning they'll cover the costs of your move. And then aside from that, then you would have actual bonuses that you would receive, for compensation due to productivity. So let's just kind of break down each one. So as far as signing bonus goes, if a physician is either coming out of training and getting a new job, or they're even switching, many times the practice will just pay them a bonus, usually somewhere between $10,000 to $50,000. That amount is taxed. So many physicians think, "Oh, I'm going to get a check for $50,000 or whatever the amount is," and that's not true. It is taxed as well. It's taxable income. Relocation assistance bonus. Most places will pay between $5,000 to $15,000 to assist a physician in moving. Once again, that amount is taxed. Sometimes a smart way of doing it is a physician could ask the employer to pay their move directly to the moving company, and generally in that situation, it's not taxed, and the company just pays the amount directly, which would make a lot of sense. So beyond just kind of the initial bonuses, there are also productivity bonuses. Let's walk through those. One, sometimes let's just say a physician is employed with a smaller physician-owned group. There could be group-wide bonuses, meaning if the practice, is profitable to a certain level, the employer will just give out a discretionary bonus, meaning it's not written into the contract how much the physician will receive, but assuming things go well, sometimes the owner will then kind of spread the wealth and give them a bonus. You don't expect to receive a discretionary bonus. It certainly is owner dependent. Some owners are much more generous than others. And I find that the owners that put discretionary bonuses in the contract honestly rarely follow through with them. It's more of just kind of window dressing to entice the physician to sign the employment agreement and start employment with the practice, but it's unlikely they're actually going to ever receive a discretionary bonus. Concrete bonuses could be kind of three things. One, you could have some kind of net collections based bonus, meaning once the physician collects a certain amount, either a month, a quarter, a year, the practice then would provide them with a bonus. You could have an RVU based bonus, meaning if the physician generates a certain amount of RVUs, monthly, quarterly, yearly, then the practice would then provide them with a bonus as well. Or there could be a hybrid. It could be on some kind of base salary, and then a certain amount of money collected over that amount, they would get a percentage of that. Same with RVUs, they would have like a monthly threshold, and then once they exceed that, then they could get a bonus as well. There's a variety of bonuses available to physicians. It just kind of depends what the employer is offering. I find that most employers probably aren't that creative or imaginative when it comes to bonuses. So it certainly doesn't hurt for a physician to offer some other kind of bonus alternatives to them, to see if they would be okay with that. I mean, certainly most practices or owners of practices are absolutely willing to give a bonus when a physician is ultra productive. They just may not even know of the different ways that they can do that. So when I'm talking to a physician about how to negotiate or what to offer to the employer, kind of creative ways to bonus them is certainly one of them. Now, there are some practices, especially if you're, with a hospital or a health network, it's unlikely they're going to make changes if they aren't already in there. But with a smaller physician-owned practice, certainly, at least I find they're much more willing to make significant changes to the comp structure. versus the larger networks who are kind of reluctant to make changes to different contracts. Anyway, hopefully that was helpful and kind of a quick review on how physicians can get bonuses. If you have any questions, give us a call at our phone number listed below in the description, or you can reach us through our website, chellelaw.com. That's CHELLE law.com. My name's Robert Chelle, and I appreciate you watching the video.